What's up guys, Mills is here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to hack Among Us game. This method is easy and simple and you will get some new features in the game. Alright guys, in order to hack Among Us you need to install the Cydia Store on your iOS device, which means you have to jailbreak your device. Alright guys, if you want to jailbreak your device, make sure to use Checkra or Unc0ver jailbreak. Alright guys, after jailbreaking your device and installing Cydia, open Cydia. Okay guys, now go to the sources here. Now here you need to add this source, which is classic source. Okay, after adding this source, go to the search bar below here. Okay, now here search for Among Us hack. As you can see here, this is the hack that we will install. Now open it. Okay, now install this hack. This hack will give you some new features in the game. Okay, now click install, install again, confirm. Now after installing the hack, restart your device. Okay, after restarting your device, now all you have to do is just open the game. Okay guys, now I will open the game. As you can see here, now here click thank you. Alright guys, now here you will be asked to log in into your iOS Gods account. So guys, if you don't have an account, then create a new account. It's free. I already have an account, so I will log into my account. As you can see guys, logged in successfully. If you don't log in, the hack will not work for you. So guys, make sure to create a new account if you don't have one. Now you will see this small card. Alright guys, now tap this card to enable the hack in the game. As you can see, the hack has been successfully activated. Through this small button here, you can enable some of the hack features. Just click on the hack you want and it will be activated automatically. There are some features that require a subscription to the VIP version of iOS Gods. As you see here, the last three options needs VIP version. Alright guys, if you want the VIP version, just go to the iOS Gods website. Alright guys, of course you can sign in to your account in the game. Important note, in case this hack doesn't work for you on the latest version of Among Us, be sure to downgrade the game to an older version, then it will work for you successfully. Alright guys, you will find the source link below this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, peace.